Well, 2 days later, finally stopped raining. So I'm gonna be getting these put on here, and I'm gonna put this on the wires here. I'm gonna run it from here to up here, and same on this side over here. So let me get things going. You all can see. Alright then. So I got one zip tie started right here. So you can see the pattern I'm going to do. I'm going to bring it all the way around to here, to here. So yeah. And I'll do this one down here. And I got this side already done right here. So these two are done. I just gotta clip them. And I got another one put right there. Someone cut that. Perfect. And it's time for me to do the other side. I gotta go to the store, get a longer one of these. So yeah, be back. Just got back from the store and got the covers for the wires, plastic covers. So again, I'm gonna run it down to here and for here to here. Got the little bit smaller one. It's like this size here. This one's a bit more wider and thicker, so oh well, it's on there. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the sticky clips here. And we'll move ahead. So I got it right here, I got it right here, got it right here, got it right here, and I'm gonna start putting it underneath here, then run it all the way over here again. So yeah. Already done. Already got it done here, got clipped, got it going down here. You see I got it over here, I got it over here, and I got it over here, and it runs inside here. Then tomorrow, if it's not raining or doing anything, I'll put this back up on here and I'll cut out a section for this part here. So yeah. And here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, tomorrow. Alright then. You got part of it hooked up. Well, this is not put in yet, but this side's pushed in, so I got finished doing it here. Got this side right here, so I'll just put this up in here. So then when I get down to here, I'm gonna cut this and put that through there. So yeah. All right then, let's get going. So I already got these ones put in. This one right here, this one right there, this one right there. This one not yet because I'm gonna cut this. I might make this one a little bit bigger. So I'll go from there. Alrighty then, get it all hooked up, get it all put in. So I made a cut around here, so a little fabric. There's some scissors, that's all I used. And again, those for those sticky clips, I got this. And I got it at Lowe's. So yeah. Alright then. Let's put the trunk down. That looks pretty sweet. Slightly off a little bit, but not much. This one looks like it's right on with this wide, so I can make some shims or something going underneath that, like bring it even. But even the OEM ones did the same thing, so yeah. I will be placing this. This is the carbon fiber on here. My keys are acting crazy because very touch it, it just does that. I gotta get a new key fob. Here, I'm probably end up replacing this with carbon fiber as well. And I eventually will do this carbon fiber as well and get a different kind of wing. Get the ACR style wing on the back of it, you know, spoiler. Now let's take a look at nighttime.